This dance is called Never Been in Love. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, improver level line dance with 1 tag and 1 restart. Starting on the right foot. You're going to step the right diagonally forward to 130, touch the left beside the right. Step the left diagonally back to 730, back where it came from, kick the right to the side. Into a weave, crossing the right behind the left, left to the side, cross the right over the left. Brush the left forward, then step the left diagonally forward to 1030, touch the right beside the left. Step the right diagonally back to 430, where it came from, kick the left forward. Into a left coaster step, back, close step, brush the right. That set of steps once more then. Step touch, off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, brush, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, brush. So yes, there's quite a few steps, which means there's quite a few and counts. Shuffle forward on the right. Brush the left. Into a mambo half. You rock forward on the left. Recover your weight on the right. Turn half a turn left as you step that left forward. Cross the right over the left. Make quarter turn right as you step back on that left. Step back on the right. Hook the left over the right. Shuffle forward on that left. That's it to steps once more then. Shuffling forward on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, brush, mambo, half, cross, turn, back, hook, left shuffle. Add those two sections together. Step touch off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, brush, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, brush, right, shuffle, brush, mambo, half, cross, turn, back, hook, right, left shuffle. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left. Into a coaster step, but we're going to put a quarter turn right on to start with. So make that quarter turn right as you step back on that right, close, step, hitch the left. Coaster step with no turn, left foot leading, brush the right, step forward on the right, pivot quarter turn left, step the right beside the left. That set of steps once more then. Forward rock off on that right. 7, 8, forward rock, side rock, coaster with the turn, hitch, coaster, step, brush, step, pivot, close. Let's add that to the top. Step touch off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, brush, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, brush, right, shuffle, mambo, half, cross, turn, back, hook, left, shuffle, forward rock, side rock, toaster, step, hitch, coaster, step, brush, step, pivot, close. Go back on a back lock step, left foot leading, back, lock, back. Shuffle half turn over your right shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Into a chase half turn, step forward on the left, pivot a half a turn to the right, step forward on the left. Shuffle forward on the right, and then on the and count, you bring the left beside the right. That set of steps once more then, back lock off on that left. 7, 8, back lock, back, half shuffle, step, pivot, step, right shuffle and bringing the feet together. Now you have in that set of steps got the equivalent of a full turn with that half shuffle turn and then the chase half turn on top of that. Should you need to try and take out that full turn combination, what you can actually do, go back on your step lock step, rather than shuffling half a turn, just shuffle back on the right, and then instead of the chase half turn, rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, step forward on the left, and then you can add on your right shuffle and. So non-turning steps, should you need to take out that full turn in that last section. And that is the end of the dance when you get to that point, so let's put it all together. Step, touch, off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, brush, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, brush, right, shuffle, brush, mambo, half, cross, back, turn, back, hook, left, shuffle, forward rock, side rock, toaster, step, hitch, coaster, step, brush, step, pivot, close, back, lock, back, half shuffle, step, pivot, step, right shuffle and. So that is your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing. Now the music isn't that fast either. But it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Step, touch, off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, brush, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, brush, right, shuffle, brush, mambo, half, cross, turn, back, hook, left, shuffle, forward rock, side rock, toaster, step, hitch, coaster, step, brush, step, pivot, close, back, lock, back, half shuffle, step, pivot, step, right shuffle and step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, brush, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, brush, right shuffle, brush, mambo, half, cross, turn, back, hook, left, shuffle, forward rock, side rock, toaster, step, hitch, coaster, step, brush, step, pivot, close, back, lock, back, half shuffle, step, pivot, step, right shuffle and step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, brush, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, brush, right shuffle, brush, mambo, half, cross, turn, back, hook, left, shuffle, forward rock, side rock, toaster, step, hitch, coaster, step, brush, step, pivot, close, back, lock, back, half shuffle, step, pivot, step, right shuffle and. So that's your dance. Now there is one tag and one restart in this dance. Your tag comes at the end of wall 2. So you'll be facing 6 o'clock when you come to do the tag. Nice and simple. You step the right to the side, you touch the left beside the right. You make 1/8 of a turn to the right, you step the left to the side, so you should now be facing 7:30. Touch the right beside the left. Further 1/8 of a turn to face 9 o'clock as you step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right, step left to the side, touch right beside the left. So that's your tag. Just do that once more. Side touches, put those 2 1/8 turns in the middle. Off on the right. 7, 8, side, touch, 1/8, touch, 1/8, touch, side, touch. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and is your timing on those steps. So that's your tag, end of wall 2. Your restart comes in wall 3 after 16 counts. So you will have just done your left shuffle and you restart the dance at that point. So wall 2 is at a 9 o'clock wall. You'll get to 6 o'clock at the end of wall 2. You'll add your tag, you're back to 9 o'clock. You will dance through wall 3 up to 16 counts. Your left shuffle will come when you're facing 6 o'clock and you restart the dance at that point. So let's do wall 2, add on the tag, continue into wall 3 up to 16 counts, restart the dance so you can see how it all fits together. Step touch off on the right. 7, 8, step touch, back kick, behind, side, cross, brush, step touch, back kick, coaster, step, brush, right, shuffle, brush, mambo, half, cross, turn, back, hook, left, shuffle, forward rock, side rock, toaster, step, hitch, coaster, step, brush, step, period, close, back, lock, back, half shuffle, step, period, step, right shuffle and tag, side touch, side touch, side touch, side touch, restart, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, brush, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, brush, right shuffle, brush, mambo, half, cross, turn, back, hook, left shuffle, restart, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross. So hopefully you can see how that tag and the restart on the following wall fits in. So that's it. That is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your tag and your restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Right shuffle, mambo, half, cross, turn, back, hook, left shuffle, forward rock, side rock, toaster, step, hitch, coaster, step, step, pivot, close, back, lock, back, half shuffle, step, pivot, step, right shuffle, and step, touch, back, catch, tag, wall, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, right shuffle, mambo, half, cross, turn, back, hook, left shuffle, forward rock, side rock, toaster, step, hitch, coaster, step, step, pivot, close, back, hook, back, half shuffle, step, pivot, step, right shuffle, tag, side touch, side touch, side touch, side touch, restart, step, touch, back, kick, restart, wall, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, right shuffle, mambo, half, cross, turn, back, hook, left shuffle, restart, step, touch, back, kick, right side, cross, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, right shuffle, mambo, half, cross, turn, back, hook, left shuffle, forward rock, side rock, toaster, step, hitch, coaster, step, step, pivot, close, back, hook, back, half shuffle, step, pivot, step, right shuffle, and step touch. Shuffle. Forward rock. roll. Step touch. Shuffle. Forward roll. Back roll. Hope you managed that one.